Hey guys, welcome back. Same handout, Unit 5, Handout 6. This particular one is going to be question 4, and this is a continuation of power factor correction to 90%. All right, guys? So let's look at this one here. This one's a little bit straightforward, so let's see if we can figure it out. A voltmeter reads 230, ammeter reads 35 amps, wattmeter reads 5250 watts, and it's connected to a 60 hertz circuit, and it wants to know, what size capacitor are we going to use to correct this thing to 90%. And so I noticed that it's a power factor correction question, so I'm going to start with an uncorrected power phasor diagram, guys. And it's going to look like this, right? And look, gives me a voltage and a current. That's great, because then I can calculate the VA, and the VA is going to be 230 times 35, right guys? 230 times 35. Looks like it's 8,050 volt amps, okay guys? And this one doesn't give a power factor, but it does say a wattmeter is reading 5250. And if it's a wattmeter, guys, it's gotta be true power because it's measured in watts. So this is 5250 watts, okay guys? And we're going to have to calculate the Vars and in this particular circuit. So let's do that. The Vars is going to be, 8050 squared minus 5250 squared, square root, right guys? Looks like the reactive power in this circuit before correction is 6102 Vars. Okay, guys? So that's done. Now, we could calculate the power factor. It doesn't ask for it, okay? But I think I'm going to do it. Power factor is going to be P over VA, okay? So just for fun here, even though it doesn't ask for it, because I don't like to leave a phasor diagram half done, okay? So it's going to be P over VA. It always is, so it's going to be 5250 over 8050. Looks like it's 0.652. Okay, just for fun. 0.652. All right, so now let's correct this circuit, guys. And to correct this circuit, power is still going to be 5250. All right, guys. And my Vars XL still there. It's right there. 6102 Vars. Okay. And we're going to put a nice pretty capacitor in there. It's going to come down from here like that. That's going to be my cap, okay? And I don't know how big it is yet, but I do know that my VA is going to be the sum of the three, so it's right there, okay? And I know I'm correcting to 0.9, so that sits right there. And I'm going to calculate my VA. It is going to be my power divided by my power factor. All right, guys, so it is going to be 5250 divided by 0.9. 5250 divided by 0.9. Okay, so it's going to be 5833 volt amps. All right, guys? And that allows us to calculate our Vars X, okay, which is going to be this guy right here. And that is going to be equal to 5833 squared minus 5250 squared. All right, guys? Squared minus 5250 squared equals root equals. Looks like I'm going to live with 2543 Vars. All right, guys? Now, that is not the capacitor. The capacitor is right there. And so right up here, I'm going to be, this is corrected, right guys? There's my uncorrected. There's my corrected. So we're working on this, guys. That capacitor is going to be 6102. The Vars that I was starting with in the circuit minus the Vars I'm going to live with in the circuit, minus 2543. Okay, guys? 6102 minus 2543. Oh, no, I screwed that up. 6102 minus 2543 equals. Looks like my cap is going to be 3559 bars. Okay, guys? That's the answer right there. That purple thing right there. All right, guys? Now, what is the new line current after correction? The line current after correction is going to be the VA over E. Okay, guys? So we'll do it with this nice color right here. My I is going to be VA over E. Got to make sure I use my VA after correction. 5833 over 230. 5833 divided by 230. 25.36 amps. Okay, guys? So was drawing 25 amps. Now it's drawing 25.36 amps. Was running at 0.652 power factor. Now it's running at 0.9 power factor. All right, guys? And this capacitor got added in parallel with this load. All right, guys? And the total circuit current went down to 25.36. And by the way, this load continues to run at 35 amps. It doesn't even know about the capacitor in parallel, but the total circuit current went down. Okay, guys? So that's that. I'll leave it there. Give your homework a try. It's going to be Unit 5, Handout 6, the rest of it. Okay, guys? And then Unit 5, Handout 7, there's step-by-step there on how to calculate, how to correct a unity, how to correct a 90%, and also a little reminder as to how to, calculate the microfarads of a capacitor. Okay, guys? So that's Unit 5, Handout 7, just a little reminder there how all this works. All right, guys? And then there is Unit 5, Handout 8, a whole bunch of power factor correction questions, okay, guys? And so you guys got a couple of days to do all that, because the very last thing we're going to learn about is transformers, and then you're going to have the test, and then I'm going to bid you farewell. All right, guys, because we're getting really close to the end now. Okay, so thanks for sticking it out, guys, and I hope this works for you. As usual, let me know if you have any questions. Bye for now.